Hello and welcome to the SAFI Learning Center. The joint attributes will be the subject of today's video. First, we will have to activate the Addition toolbar. To do so, we go into the View, click on Toolbars, and activate the Addition toolbar. The joints, by default, will be considered as rigid connections. In SAFI, the supports conditions can be supports, springs, or imposed displacements. To modify their properties, there are two ways to do so. To modify a single joint, we can double-click on it. The information displayed in that menu are the joint number, its coordinates, its support conditions, its springs, and its imposed displacements. The second technique we can use consists of selecting a group of joints, and we will modify their attributes simultaneously. To do so, we have to select the joints and click on this icon. Another way of modifying the joints attributes would be by the numerical tables. This table is located in the General Input toolbar. The corresponding icon for the joints table is this one. The numerical table for springs is this one. And the table for the imposed displacements is this one. In the Support tab, we can manually select the degrees of freedom, and we can use the shortcut buttons here. The shortcut buttons are for pin supports and fixed supports. It is also possible to create different coordinate systems to define the support conditions according to that system. To do so, we can go into that menu to define its position and angle. Then, we select that system as a reference system. In the Springs tab, we can define the properties of the springs in each direction. The springs can work in tension and compression, tension only, or compression only. Also, the user can specify a torsional rigidity around the axes. To define springs that are at a certain angle, we have to use a personalized coordinate system. The supports, the springs, and the imposed displacements are mutually exclusive. On a joint, only one of those three types of supports can be used in the same direction. So, supports, springs, and imposed displacements can all be used in the same joint as long as they are not in the same direction or around the same axes. The coordinate system used for a joint must be the same for the support, the springs, and the imposed displacements. The imposed displacements or rotations can be defined here. If the user is in a 2D environment, the joints will have 3 degrees of freedom. In 3D, the joints have 6 degrees of freedom. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more information, please visit our website at www.safi.com.